Sermon number 56. Steadiness, in the battlefield. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. In the company of the Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him and his progeny, we used to fight our parents, sons, brothers and uncles, and this continued us in our faith, in submission, in our following the right path, in endurance over the pangs of pain, and in our fight against the enemy. A man from our side and one from the enemy would pounce upon each other like energetic men contesting as to who would kill the other. Sometime our man got over his adversary and sometime the enemy's man got over ours. When Allah had observed our truth, he sent ignominy to our foe and sent his succor to us, till Islam got established, like the camel, with neck on the ground and resting in its place. By my life, if we had also behaved like you, no pillar of our religion could have been raised, nor the tree of faith could have borne leaves. By Allah, certainly you will now milk our blood, instead of milk, and eventually you will face shame.